Being on this ranch is a timeless experience, with old, regal oaks dotting a landscape of rolling pastures. Long Hammock Ranch still offers the beauty treasured by Florida's earliest cattle ranchers. This scenic property is 1,353 acres in Sumter County. The rolling terrain has significant elevation changes, from 50 to 115 feet, offering great views. With almost no wetlands, this property is a uniquely high and dry, large piece of Florida land. The property is currently used for agriculture, cattle, and farmland, all of which are potential income features for the future buyer. Although the acreage makes a great ranch, Long Hammock Ranch is a desirable property for residential or mixed-use development. Potential recreational uses include equestrian, hunting, and ATV riding. Located in Oxford, Florida, the ranch is a half a mile west of the intersection of I-75 and County Road 475, where the villages potentially have a long-range plan to build an interchange. Long Hammock Ranch is fenced and cross-fenced and includes a manager's home, a ranch office with kitchen, 4 barns ranging from 4,000 to 11,000 square feet, and a small cookout barn. There are 9 underground irrigation wells, and utilities include electric, septic, and garbage service. To learn more about this scenic Florida ranch and its many opportunities for income, development, or recreation, visit sreland.com/longhammock.